if you're gonna get to that first oil change, do yourself a favor and get rid of the cheap China-made spark plug. Get you a genuine NGK spark plug. The manual says BPR6ES, and it needs to be 28 to 31 thousandths of an inch gap here on the end. So you'll need some sort of feeler gauge or something. It's well known that these NGKs are just far better, and usually that's the first modification people make. And we can take the one that's in there and just use it as a backup. This is 30 thousandths of an inch. Oh yeah, that's right there. It's right there at about 30 thousandths. This guy should fit down in here. So that's why I don't like these. I like this quiet motor, but it's just too in the way or something. Okay. There we go. Burn looks good. I know you can't judge the burn by just idling here, but it doesn't look bad to me at all. This is the Japanese spark plug, this is the Chinese spark plug. So, okay, there's that guy. Don't change the heat range on a stock motor.